So this is the VelectriX Brunswick belt drive. It's a beautiful bike, nice, light, frame, easy, silent running, no maintenance. Quite nice actually.
Okay, so here we have the Brunswick, VelectriX Brunswick, belt drive, mid-drive, an M200 motor, Bafang motor, 3-speed internal gearbox, Nexus gearbox by Shimano. Never heard of one breaking down yet. Okay, really light in terms of all the VelectriX range. This is probably one of the lightest bikes. Great city cruiser. Disc brakes, 3-speed grip ship. We've added the mirror here, and we've got the Bafang display here, which will give you the trip, the odometer. It gives you the maximum speed. It gives you average speed. It also gives you your range left on the battery. So I've been riding for about 20 k's at the moment, and it says I've got 74 k's left on this battery. 415 watt hour battery. Okay, it also gives me calories, how many calories I've been burning whilst I've been working along. Okay, and it gives you the power output of the motor. So the whole heap of technical information you can get off the display here. Integrated lights, turn the lights off and on. Great city cruiser, and I just don't understand why these aren't walking off the shelves, because they are a great bike.
I like this ride in the afternoon, it's gorgeous.
Yeah, you're right, Trace, it's absolutely gorgeous, and I can tell you on the Brunswick, yeah, with the silent belt drive, it's just a dream. And low maintenance, as I said, no grease, no oil.
I mean, this is magic. I mean, this is magic.